Thank you.
Take a picture.
I got a picture.
Spin around. Big smile with the camera.
Great. Cheese. Yay, well done.
Perfect.
Thank you, mate.
Guys, appreciate you.
Okay. What, mate? Okay, which one's going next? Okay.
That was bone shaking.
Thanks, buddy. You're one and done, you
How are we doing?
Good.
Good. We're so excited for the show.
There he is, the truck of the hour, Bone Shaker. Congratulations. Thanks, announcer guy. How does it feel to win the Champions Cup for the first time?
One for you, live one for you. Are we doing a nice show together? Come join me on the mag here. Thank you for the charge.
Come fight.
Big smiles, okay?
Great cheese.
But you're right here.
Okay, thank you.
Have
Bill.
fun tonight.
Thank you.
Bone Shaker.
Be sure if you've had a one Scalosaurus or Megarex to win tonight. I think.
That's what it's all about. Which is your favourite truck? Bone Shaker. Bone Shaker won the Champions Cup earlier today. Is he going to win again tonight? We'll find out. You think so? We'll see, we'll see.
Thank you. You can get a photo. Get a photo. Get a photograph quick. Wow. Thank you.
Perfect.
Cool. Thank you. Go on, Sonny. Can he get on as well?
Hold on. Come and get you.
Hey, cheese. Cool. Well done. Photo, quick photo. Okay. Wow, yeah, cool. Okay, sit down and get a photo. Photo, get a photo, Sonny. Hey, cheese. Yay, well done. Photo, Luca. Quick photo. Sonny. Okay, mate. Thank you. Come on.
Just a little talk. Oh, Dad, we're going to see that.
You guys excited? Buddy?
photo, Luke. Quick.
Come right here then. Awesome.
Wow, Zach. Cool.